Hi guys, in this video I will do for the very first time my lip swatches for the KissMe lipsticks. I got them a few days ago and I'm very excited about this video. Every month you get 3 new lipsticks, you never get the same lipstick again, and they are cruelty free and vegan. I will also have a small table here with some ingredients that they don't contain, and they claim to be long lasting and creamy. I'm very excited to test them. I really like the colors that I got for this month. They cost $19.99. If you live in the US, the shipping is free. If you live somewhere else, the shipping is $3.99. I have paid approximately 24 euros because I live in Germany. Every month you know which colors you will get, so if you don't want, you can just cancel your subscription. Every month that you are subscribed and you are an active member, you get rewards points, and after you have, I think, 600 points, you can redeem them and get a free product. That's awesome. So if you go in the LiveGlam website, you will see 3 different clubs. It is the brush club, the lipstick club, and the eyeshadow club. I am subscribed to the lipstick club and I got the KissMe lipsticks. As always, don't forget to subscribe to get notified for my latest videos, and without further ado, let's get started with the swatches. Sleeves on. I'm ready. First of all, I will remove the lipstick that I have already on my lips. I have Mess Around by Colourpop. 2 of them are in matte finish and 1 of them is in metallic. The first one that I want to see how it looks like is the grey one. I don't have another color like this. So this is called Midnight and it is in matte finish, and let's see how the color looks. They smell very nice. It is like vanilla something. Ooh, like it. So with 1 layer the color is opaque. I like that. It needs a few minutes to get completely matte. It is very nice. It's a very strange color for me, but I like how it looks. I think this is the only color from the 3 of them that it doesn't look nice with my eyes today. It is very comfortable on the lips. It doesn't dry my lips. It is a little bit sticky. They claim that they are transfer proof, so let's see that. Almost nothing came off. Cool, that's very cool. So let's see what happens if we reapply a little bit more product on the lips. It is completely dry. I like that it didn't become crumbly when I applied the second coat. Let's see if it is still transfer proof. Yep, it is. Look at that. When I close my lips together, it is sticky, and also I can see the color that is a little bit separated, so it's not easy to remove them. I think I removed all the gray lipstick. It was very stubborn. It didn't want to leave me. So the next color that I'm going to use is the Sequins, and this is in metallic, and this is a rose gold color. It is very luxurious. I'm very happy to have this. I don't have a color like this. Let's see how it looks on the lips. Oh my god, this is very metallic. Okay, I don't have lipsticks like this. I'm not a huge fan of metallic lipsticks, but this color looks amazing. So I will let it dry and we will see how it looks. If you like metallic lipsticks, you will like this. It is so shiny. I love the color. It looks extremely amazing with my eyeshadows today. And I will link down below the video that I have done for the eyeshadows. Let's see if it is transfer proof. This is from my inner rim of my lips. Maybe it wasn't dry enough. That's not a lot. So let's press our lips together. Yeah, it becomes again crumbly. Do you see that? So I will apply 1 more layer to see if I can fix that. So this one is a little bit more uncomfortable on the lips. You feel that you have something on the lips, and also when I speak you can see that the texture becomes a little separated and it is crumbling. Also, if I close my lips, it becomes like this, and you will definitely close your lips. I like so much the color, but the formula of the metallic one, it's not my favorite. So I will remove it, and we have one more lipstick. My God, it doesn't come off. I'm going to bring my waterproof. I'm back! So I brought with me my eye makeup remover. This is for waterproof makeup. So the next color is called Gold, and it is like a vibrant red color. Let's open it. Woohoo! Uh-oh. This is Gold. The applicator is very good to apply the product, guys. It makes it even easier to apply a liquid lipstick. Before they completely dry, they are a little bit forgiving, so you can clean the edges of your lipstick. They don't stain the skin, but I believe that after they are completely dry, forget it. They will stain the skin. So the color is a true red color. In the beginning it was looking like an orange, but it is, I think, more red now. It also makes my teeth whiter, and I like that. Let's see if it will pass the transfer proof test. Only a very small amount of product is transferred on the back of my hand. That's not a lot. Let's see what happens when we press our lips. Yeah. You see, the formula is very sticky, and when you close your lips, you lose the color on your lips. Only on the upper part I have this problem, maybe because I applied more product. But again, if you want to make your lines precise and more symmetrical, you need to apply more product. So what can you do? So now that I do some lip swatches on the back of my hand, I can see that the texture and the consistency of each lipstick is different. The red lipstick and the rose gold metallic one, they are thicker in consistency, and the gray one is more lightweight and more watery. I will try this subscription for 2 or 3 months more. We will see how the next 3 lipsticks they will be. I was not very impressed with the formula of these two. I like the gray lipstick. The formula was very nice on my lips, but the metallic one and the red one, they were becoming crumbly on my lips, and I didn't like that. I'm thinking about doing a black smoky eye look, combining this lipstick or with some glitter. I will think about it. I have some dreams about this lipstick. So we will see in the next month if I will get more products with this formula, because I prefer this one instead of these two. So that completes this video. Let me know in the comments below if you have already tested KissMe lipsticks or another product from the LiveGlam.com website. If you found this video informative or entertaining, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!